I took the path that you would never want for me. I know I let you down tonight. So many sleepless nights where you were waiting up on me. Well, I'm just a slave unto the night. Now remember when I told you that's the last you'll see of me. Remember when I broke it down to tears. I know I took the path that you would never want for me. I gave you hell through all the years. So I bet my life, I bet my life, I bet my life on you. I bet my life, I bet my life, I bet my life on you. I've been around the world and never in my wildest dreams would I come running home to you. I've told a million lies, but now I tell a single truth. There's you in everything I do. Now remember when I told you that's the last you'll see of me. Remember when I broke it down to tears. I know I took the path that you would never want for me. I gave you hell through all the years. So I bet my life, I bet my life, I bet my life on you. I bet my life, I bet my life, I bet my life on you. Don't tell me that I'm wrong. I've walked that road before and left you on your own. And please believe them when they say that it's left for yesterday. And the records that I play, please forgive me for all I've done. So I bet my life, I bet my life, I bet my life on you. I bet my life, I bet my life, I bet my life on you.
Wish I was stronger, wish I could feel no pain. Wish I was young, wish I was shy. I wish I was honest, wish I was you, not I. Cause I feel so mad, I feel so angry, feel so careless, so lost, confused, forget, feel so cheap, so used, unfaithful. Let's start over, let's start over. Sometimes I wish I was smart, I wish I made cures for how people are. I wish I had power, I wish I could lead, I wish I could change the world for you and me. Cause I feel so mad, I feel so angry, feel so careless, so lost, confused, forget, feel so cheap, so used, unfaithful. So lost, confused, your plan feels so cheap, so used, unfaithful. Let's start over. Let's start over. Let's start over.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. This is my last resort. Cut my life into pieces. Erase my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Do you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong or it be right if I took my life tonight? Chances are that I might. Mutilation out of sight, and I'm contemplating suicide. I'm contemplating suicide. 'Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight.